Hey guys, Greg here with Greg Pittman Drone and Tech, and today we're going to try out the Yaggis to see if they do give us any more range. I can tell you now before we start that getting down to Noble Prentice is about as far as I can get with the Mavic Mini, and then it breaks up. So if these work, we'll actually I just got them stuck here on the antennas. I'll show them up to the camera here. That's the Yaggis. Anyway, if they work, we'll get down past Noble Prentice. So let's get everything fired up and let's get going here. Get this done, and I've got a little system here on that holds my blades. It's just a little Velcro strip. Keeps them in place when it's in the case. Take this and put it over here. Just get her unfolded and fired up. All right, that's booting up. Get my antenna straight here. Let it all hook up here. Make sure that we got everything good.
Aircraft entered altitude zone.
All right, got that. Home point. Okay, getting a screen recording going here. And now it's time to take off.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
All right. Now we got it there. We're going to move it on out here a little bit. And I want to take it up to a couple 100 foot. Let's go ahead and get it in recording first. I'll go ahead and lock that. Let's see, I'm pushing the wrong button, is what I'm doing. There we go. Okay, now we're recording. So let's go up and away. Now remember I said Noble Prentice, you can see it down there. It's that tan building there. I want to get up a couple 100 foot. I'm hearing something. I'm going to wait just a minute before I take off. He's way over there. Alright, we're going up to 200 foot. Okay. Let's get there. Okay. And here we go. I don't know if I can go into sport mode. There we go. Went into sport mode on the fly. So you get about right in here is where it breaks up. So we're going to see if the old Yaggies do any good. Oh yeah. Yeah, they're better. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. I'm down past Noble Apprentice. Do you look at that? I can't do this without the Yaggies. It will not go that far. There's too much interference. I can't believe this. I'm almost down to Merriam Lane. Whoa. Got all the way down to Merriam Lane. Now it's starting to break up a little bit. I'm not going to go over that traffic. There. That's the hitching post right there. And it's still going. See if it's telling me RC signal lost. Okay. See if we can't adjust our antennas up. Okay, I canceled that. Let's turn this thing back around. Come on. Okay. There we go. I want to see if I can get to Merriam Lane. It's never got this far. No, it's not going to let me get that far. Strong wind warning. Go ahead and confirm this. Let it get home. Well, I got an airplane over there. He's pretty low. I don't think he's as low as we are. Okay, hopefully she's coming home.
Go home.
Okay. I'm getting all kinds of buzzing going on here. Strong wind warnings. Come on, baby, pick back up. Okay. Pull his antennas up and see what we get. Try to get some heights, maybe. Thing should be back here by now. There we go, I see it. There we go, we got it back. It's coming. It's coming home to Papa. But man, guys, I've never got down that far. This is incredible. The Yaggies do work. I will contest to that. The Yaggies do work.
Landing.
Now it's coming home. Uh-oh, got a big bird in the air. Keep going that way, buddy. And there we are, we're back home. Stop it there. Drop it on down. Got that big bird coming around over there. I don't want any part of him. But, well, there you go, guys. The Yaggi's work. I can tell you that now. I need to get that out of sport mode. Damn it, went back into sport mode. There we go. My fingers are getting jumpy. Alright, we're going to go ahead and wrap this up.
Landing.
Alright, there you go, guys. The Yaggi's worked. I got down past, way down past Noble Apprentice, so there's no doubt that the Yaggis are worth their price. That gives you about twice the range, I would say, that you get, or that I get rather, because I could only get down to Noble Apprentice at that time. I got all the way down to Merriam Lane, which is almost twice as far. That's great. So there you got it. The Yaggi's work for sure. So I want to wrap this up, get in and watch the Chiefs game. It starts at 4 o'clock. So as always, you guys stay safe and take care, and I will catch you in the next one. And thanks for watching. Bye.